Hi YouTubers and wet shavers everywhere, it's Mark with GeorgeTune.com. I'm back with another video. This time around we're going to have a shave with a brand new blade. Well, it's a brand new blade to me. Good friend in the wet shaving community recommended I try Gillette Wilkinson Sword razor blades. Now these come all the way from India. They're manufactured in India and they are very, very well priced. You can get 100 of these for about $7 or so with free shipping through eBay and also Amazon.com. 200 of them are less than 14 bucks, I think. On Amazon, I've seen that price at about 14 bucks on eBay. Again, with free shipping on eBay, and also if you have Prime, you'll get the free shipping from Amazon. But this is a blade that was introduced to me and spoken very highly of. A lot of guys have reviewed this and seem to really like this blade. So we're going to try this blade today. I'm going to try it with my Vikings blade Chieftain Odin limited edition razor. I love this razor. I love the Chieftain. This is the Odin limited edition. It is rose gold and it has this beautiful black handle to it. Really very, very nice. I'm going to use Lather shaving stick right there. Lather shaving stick. Really like this stuff. Works up a really, really nice lather. So I'm going to be doing a face lather. I'm going to be using my AP Shaving Company's synthetic brush. It has this beautiful faux marbleized handle and it is very, very soft. Very, very soft, but also has plenty of backbone there to work up a good lather. We'll finish it off with Lather Aftershave Splash and also Lather Aftershave Balm. So I have a warm towel soaking in some warmish hot water here. So we're going to go ahead and wring this out, moisturize, put a hot towel on the face and soften up the beard, and then we're going to get to the shave. That's very, very nice. All right, I'm gonna put some new water in the sink, and I'm also gonna make sure that my mirror here is clean and hasn't been splashed on. All right, so we're gonna put some new water in there, and I am gonna wet the face and soak my brush. All right, I wet my face from the tap. It's nice and warm. I'm going to go ahead and soak my brush in there. Let that soak. Get my shaving stick here. You can see I've been using it. And okay, that's got it. Okay, now I'm going to get the brush here and we're going to just wring it a little bit. And we're going to start to build a lather. Oh, a little bit of soap on the mirror. There we go. Okay. Okay, there we go. That's a nice lather. Boy, that really lathered up quickly, didn't it? Okay, so here's the Gillette Wilkinson Sword blade all wrapped up. We're going to open this up, and I don't know if there is... These are not the Wilkinson Sword from Germany. These are from India, Gillette Wilkinson Sword. So there is a difference. I don't know if Gillette bought the trademark over there in India and manufactures under this name, but they're from India. They're known as Gillette Wilkinson Sword. I know it's a little confusing. We're going to pop that into the my Odin razor, close the doors, we're ready to go. So let's heat up the razor. Both sides, swirl it a little bit in the water. We're up to temperature. All right, here we go. 30 degrees, a light touch. Let the razor do all the work, gentlemen. Nice. This is a nice, mild razor. Nice, mild razor blade, that is. And in the Chieftain, I'm getting a really wonderful shave so far. No tugging, no pulling at all. Definitely not the sharpest blade I've tried, but very efficient. Plenty of audio feedback. Okay, that's the first pass down. Let's rinse. Nice. Nice first pass. Some of the other razor blades I've used out there, like the Persona and the Vikings blade razor blade, give me a better first pass, but this was a satisfactory first pass. The real tale is in the second pass. Usually, you'll know whether you need a third pass or whether you just need a touch-up after that sort of thing. So, I'm going to get a little bit more water here. There we go. Okay, very, very nice. Yeah, second pass now. We're going to go east to west across the grain. Really very, very nice blade. All right, that's the second pass. Let's rinse. Well, Toha has a lot of nice slickness to it as well. That was nice, that second pass, wow. You know what, if I wanted to, I could go to the office right now. But we're gonna do a third pass, and I have more than enough lather on the brush, so let's do it. Okay. All right, this is the third pass, south to north against the grain. I love this razor. This razor gives me such a great shave. And I'm using it with a wide variety of blades, from Gillette, these Gillette Wilkinson Swords, the Vikings blade razor blades, the Persona Blues, the Dorco Primes. Regardless of the blade I use, I get a great shave. I really do. Some blades give me a more efficient shave. Others, you know, they give me a good shave. But the razor really does the job. I've always said that it's in that sweet spot. It's not too harsh, not too aggressive, not too mild. For me, it's always been just right. Nice, really nice. I like to get that mustache area against the grain, and this is one of the few razors where I can actually go against the grain and get those hairs. Very nice. All right, that's the third pass. Let's rinse. Really cleaned up well. I mean, sometimes with some of the other razors, I need to go over this pot here, but no, I mean, I got everything nicely. We're gonna go ahead and do my 2 final rinses, one warm, one cold, right from the tap. Okay, let's go with a cold water rinse. Boy, it's just a nice shave. Oh, that's great. Got a nice, fresh, clean towel waiting for me here. Beautiful. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right, we're going to finish it off then with some Lather Aftershave Splash. I like this scent. I like the, I just like it. Oh yeah, I'm getting plenty of feedback from that too, meaning that it was a nice shave. Nice close shave. I'm getting zing, but I'm not getting any sting, which is nice. Boy, beautiful shave. Really, really nice. Boy, like that a lot. Yeah, so like I said, I am getting some feedback. It was immediate, which is nice. Sometimes with some of the other aftershaves, like the Panade or the Parasso, there's a little bit of a delay there. But this one was right up front, nice zing, and now it's dissipating, which is, it's a nice feel to it. It really does. Okay, so we're gonna go with some Lather Aftershave Balm, because you know, even though we're in spring, man, it was like 20, 25 degrees this morning when I got up. It was cold. I suppose as the weather gets warmer, I'm not going to need as much of the balm, but probably continue to use a little bit upstairs, as I always do. Nice shave. Really, really very good shave. I mean, I got a nice shave, nice and clean. Really, really, I mean, very nice and close. This razor blade really does a nice job. Now, full disclosure, I've used it several times already. I've used it in more aggressive razors. I've used it in the Chieftain, the regular Chieftain, right here. I've used it in the Odin. I've used it, as I say, in some more aggressive razors. And I've gotten some really nice shaves with it. I'm not getting 4 or 5 shaves with this blade. I'm doing 2 on the face, 1 on the head. I tend not to use razor blades for 4, 5, 6 shaves. I use them for 3 shaves and I toss them. So I'll use 2 on the face, 1 on the head, and then I'll go on to a new blade. Sometimes if I feel real spoiled, I'll just use from 1 shave and then load up another razor blade. Or if I've used 2 for the face and I really want to make sure that I have a nice shave on my head, I use a brand new blade, and I won't have any problems up there. But these are nice. I use them for 3 shaves. I get a nice shave with them. I like them a lot, and really nice shave. I get a really, really nice result with them. All right, so you might want to check them out. Hey, thanks very much. That's it for now. Really appreciate it. Comment below. Let me know. Check out my blog, georgetoon.com/blog for my comic strip George. Other cartoons, other videos like this, and I'll see you again real soon.